Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? We are on day 4 of Unboxmas. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys. Day 4. I ordered this bag like the 1st of December. It just came yesterday. What was yesterday? The 18th. So this took quite a while to get to me. Okay. This is a brand I have ordered from them. I do have a few pieces from them. But I saw this online and I was like, I think I kind of like it. I haven't seen this in person, you guys. So, my receipt. Still wrapped up, as you all can see. I ordered something from Kurt Geiger. So this is a Kurt Geiger bag, you guys. The bag I have is called the, I want to say the small Kensington Duffle. This is in patent. Oh, look at it. It's giving black and white. Look at this. It's giving the East-West vibes. So y'all can see. There you go. Come on, focus, baby. But it's giving the East-West vibes. She is shiny. This is how it looks on the bottom with the little raised feet. They are raised ever so slightly. Okay. The handles are shiny patent as well. Okay. All of this on here is like stitching. I want it to focus. It's focusing on the other bags. There you go. Can y'all see? Okay. Oh, it has double zips. Wait a minute. Oh, it's caught on the thingy, but it's double zip. Okay. So you open it up. It is the it's partially chained, as you can see right here, partially chained, and the rest is it's like a thin little leather strap. Yeah, that's too thin. I don't think I can get down with that. It's too thin. It does have a dust bag. I'm trying to be careful, y'all, because like I said, I never saw this in person. I'm trying to see how I really feel about it. I think I can get down with it, though. What do we think, y'all? It's black and white, but in its own little way, it's giving gray. The stitching, but it's just a big empty hole. There is, on this back side, there is a pocket right back here. It does have the creed right there. But this pocket is the length of the bag. And there is nothing on the other side. I think I love it. What do we think? I'm loving the East-West. So now that I think I like it, let's take this chain strap off. Okay. Okay, so here is the strap. This is pretty long. It has 1, 2, 3. It has 5 holes in here. But this, I will say that this is tall girl friendly. I'm not the tallest, but I can get with this. I can get with this. But I can get with it lengthwise. But I think that this is just too thin. I'm going to have to try to find another strap elsewhere. Or I'll just carry it top handle. And it looks like that. This is cute. This is cute. I love the fact that the eagle head on here, because I'm really not the biggest fan of this eagle head. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to hold you. But because this eagle head is black, I can get with it. Come on, baby. Focus. I don't know what I want to focus on. And I don't have time to play with you right now. Anyway, but because the eagle head is black, I can get with it. Yeah, what do we think? Do we love this? Do we love this? What do we think, girl? Let's see. You can see it right there. What do we think? Is this a keeper? I think so. I think I kind of like it's different. It gives it a different texture. Y'all know I always wear black anyway. I love that. Alright, you guys. So that pretty much concludes day 4 of Unboxmas. Y'all, we Unboxmas. What is the name of this, y'all? Unboxmas. Unboxmas. Anyway, we are moving right on through. I have one more day. I have one more bag, you guys. And then I'll show you all the accessories. I don't know if I'm going to show it to you on the 6th day or I'll just show it to you another day next week sometime. But that concludes this video. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all and I'll see y'all later. Bye. See y'all tomorrow.